Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to use picture-in-picture in Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, and it should work on other browsers as well. And there's a couple other considerations we'll discuss at the end of the video. So let me show you how it works. Go ahead and open up a video somewhere, maybe YouTube. That's what I'm using for the example. And once you do that, and you have the video going, it could be running or not, you right-click, and when you right-click, you're going to see a black menu. Now you're going to scroll your mouse, just move it over here to the right, just a little bit outside of that black window, and right-click again. And there is picture-in-picture. There it is right there. You can click back to tab or click close to close it out. There you go. So that takes Chrome out of the picture. As mentioned, Microsoft Edge is also Chromium based, so guess what? Right click, move over, right click, picture in picture. It's exactly the same. Neat. Let's get that out of the way. And now we have Firefox, which I know Firefox fans are rabid, but in this case, Firefox actually does do it better because you probably already know it's there, where Chrome and Edge users might not be aware where it is, or if it even exists. So here's a nice thing about Firefox. Kind of gave it away. Just move your mouse in there. You might have to click place first, and then when you do, you'll see watch picture in picture, and you click on that, and you notice it's even bigger than the other ones. It's by default, of course. I don't know if you can, some of you can move, some you can't. I don't think they let you do it on Edge. I could be wrong. But that's pretty cool. So actually, Firefox gets props for probably doing it better than anybody else, at least at the time of this video. Once again, kind of the same thing. Just come over here and click on the X right there, and it's gone. So we have to give them credit for that. So, all right, let's keep in mind there's a couple things I mentioned to you that I wanted to throw in there, and that is that some websites support it and some websites don't. If you don't see it, it's not supported. For example, Twitch. I don't think it works on Twitch. Crackle is another good example. What happens with Crackle when you're on there, when you do the right click over here, it gives you the option to show picture-in-picture on a single click. So there's some variations, but the majority of the time you're going to get what you saw before, where you have to click twice to get it. Obviously, I'm using Firefox now, so it doesn't work because, as we mentioned, they're better. There it is right here. Yeah. So once again, right click, right click. In most cases, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Another one worth mentioning is if you use movies and TV on Windows and you're watching a video with that, in the lower, look for the lower right hand corner, little over to the left from the lower right corner, and you'll see a picture-in-picture icon for that as well. But for the most part, this is how to do it in your favorite web browser. And there you have it. That is how you can use picture-in-picture in Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Bottom right hand corner is subscribe. Thanks for watching as always. You know we appreciate you. See ya.